So I got a Toro Briggs and Stratton motor. Just bought it, and guy said it didn't run. So I'm gonna tear into it. I sprayed some carb cleaner in there. It started. Don't stay running even with fresh gas in there. So I'm gonna pull the carb apart and check out what's going on. Look closely here, the choke is not opening all the way, hitting something somewhere. So I'm gonna pull the flywheel cover off. And that would be the problem. So I probably have to clean the carb anyway, but check out this. Looks like maybe a mouse nest or just a lot of debris over time. So what happens is the auto choke can't move, and then it won't open the intake enough, so it would run really rich. So obviously you got to clean this up, and then we'll take a look at the carburetor. Now, as you can see, we're getting full movement there. So as the engine runs, it turns the flywheel, which then pushes air into this paddle here and opens up the airway, so that's the auto choke there. This is also right here, you can see, that's the throttle. So I'm gonna put this back together after I clean the carburetor, if you want to follow along for that, and we'll see if we can get it started. Let's get this carburetor off. Let's take the governor arm off so I can get this off easier. I'm gonna try to do this real quick because my battery's dying. Take the main jet off and the bowl screw. That looks pretty dirty. And not too bad in there. Just a little bit of dust floating around. A little bit of dry rot. I'm going to replace that. Okay, that's clean. I'm gonna go get a gasket quick, and then we'll put this back together. All right, so got the new gasket on there. I'm gonna put the cleaned bowl on. That has to be a good seal on that gasket, because you will definitely leak fuel. All right, I'm gonna pop it back on and see if we can get it to start. Put the governor arm on. Always check this O-ring here too. That's pretty good. Then you'll get an air leak there. And make sure you have the right bolts here. These 3/8 have a little shoulder on them. There we go. Make sure that spring's not too stretched out. Now let's get the flywheel cover back on. I'm also going to connect the fuel line right away. Covers on, make sure that the choke still works properly. And the air cover with the breather hose. Steel into aluminum. And if you strip it, then you need a new carburetor or a Healy coil. Alright, I'm going to see if I can start this without any spray. Cool. Runs pretty good. I'm just going to play with the idle a little bit there, get this attached. It's got a bunch of oil and stuff it's got to burn off. But yeah, I'm just going to service it, change the oil, lubricate the wheels. I have a brand new blade for it I'm going to replace. And everything else looks pretty good. And I'll just, I'm going to post it, clean it up, post it for sale. So thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and catch you guys next time. Thanks.